Hello everyone. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to see a very important lesson. The types of clauses. So, concentrate you and watch till the end the video to understand all your lesson. We will first talk about the forms of clauses that you need to understand before. We have two forms of clauses: dependent clause and independent clause. First, a dependent clause is a clause that cannot stand alone and need an independent clause. Example: although I was late, I got enough time to see her. In this sentence, the dependent clause is, although I was late, colored in pink. This clause is dependent, it cannot stand alone and need the independent clause, I got enough time to see her, to make sense. Now let's move to the second one. An independent clause is a clause that can stand alone as a completed sentence, expressing a completed idea. Let's take the same example. Although I came late, I got enough time to see her. In this sentence, I got enough time to see her is the independent clause. It is independent because it doesn't need a dependent clause to make sense. Now we move to the types of dependent clauses. We have three types of dependent clauses: noun clause, adjective clause and adverbial clause. First, noun clause are clauses that function as a noun. Example: what you saw was real. What here functions as a noun, and this is what we call a noun clause. Second, adjective clause are clauses that modify a noun. A small example: beautiful flowers. Beautiful here is used as an adjective and which is an adjective clause. Third, adverbial clause are clauses that modify a verb, an adjective and an adverb. Example: slowly speaking. Slowly here is modifying speaking and which is the role of an adverbial clause. Types of independence clauses. In English we have four types of independent clauses: declarative independent clause, interrogative independent clause, imperative independent clause, and exclamative independent clause. 1. Declarative independent clause makes a statement. Example: children should look both ways before crossing the street. 2. Interrogative independent clause asks questions. Example: are you coming to the party? 3. Imperative independent clause gives a command or request. Example: please close the door. For exclamatory independent clause, express strong emotions or surprise. Example: what a beautiful view.